Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Big City Crypto Community. So guys, I'm here back again with a fabulous project Flux. So let's start the review. Before starting the review, see a small disclaimer. I'm not your financial advisor. This is not investment advice. Make sure to do your research before any investment. I'm not responsible any profit and losses. First of all, we talk about what is Flux. Basically, Flux is a cryptocurrency coin. You can check out here price $1.01, and here you can see the max supply, calculating supply, market cap, volume, 24 hours volume, market cap. You can check out here total supply, max supply, full dedicated market cap, and here you can see the Ethereum contact address, trust, add to trust wallet, MetaMask website, white paper, GitHub, and all social links here. You can check out Twitter, Reddit, Facebook, Telegram, and chat. You can also check out the market news, about, and trading view. You can also check out the price chart. Here is the price chart. You can check out Flux market and Binance. You can also check out this project also listed Binance, Get Data, UK, you can BitGet, BingX. This project already listed on big exchanges and Flux market. You can also check out the Flux markets. So now you understand what is Flux coin. So now talk about the some project website. Built on Web 3.0. Today, the Flux Cloud is a people-powered by network to help build decentralized application with the increased flexibility and residents deploy. Now this is marketplace. So first of all, you can check out country locations. 78, 2.92 in the last month. Total nodes 12,619. Total RAM 256.1 TB. Total cores 1,001,114. Total SSD 6.3 PT. The next generation of the internet. You can check out. This is Web 1.1. This is Web 2.0, and here you can see the Web 3.0. So now you can check out the Flux Cloud advantage: security, instability, low cost, watch our decentralization, and start saving now. Estimate the cost your application on the different cloud providers, and Flux Cloud estimate cost. You can check out the CPU price and Google Card, AWS, and Flux. A global cloud network view dashboard. You can check out your dashboard, learn how Web3 cloud work. You can also click on view video, and you can also work at Flux Cloud products, run WordPress, and you can also check out Flux Drive, Flux Market Cap, run, drop, launch your app. You can also click on launch your app here, cloud computer, and discover more. You can also check out 30-day guarantee and money back guarantee. You can also check out the all social links provided here. So now we talk about on the Twitter, because it's very important part of this video, because on the Twitter they will be give updates related to this project. You can check out run on Flux, the handle Flux Web3 Cloud, the world's first and largest decentralization computing network. Run anything. Flux today robust scale and people deepen and cloud and more. This is based on United Kingdom. The website is also provided in 2018. They have a lot of followers, 235.9k followers. It's very big. And here you can see the pinned post. We are thrilled to announce the decentralized WordPress solution on the beta into the full release. And here you can see the all videos there, and you can also check out the Flux Web 3. Address accessibility of the transparent from Web 2 and Web 3.3 decentralization still on the deep in. And here you can see the latest update about this project. You can also check out the all updates about this project. So simply you need to follow the Twitter account. Click on follow option. After clicking the follow, the Twitter account handle will be successfully followed, and you will be get regularly updates. You can also check out CoinGecko on the Flux. You can also see the Flux price and 24 hours low, 24 hours high. So this is website. Now talk about Flux OX dashboard. This is a Flux marketplace. You can check out Flux home dashboard, application management, global app, register. It's very big things in the project. So first of all, we talk about the dashboard. Here you can see the dashboard. Click on dashboard and overview, resource map, reward list, and you can see the application. You can click on application management, global apps, register new app, marketplace, and if you want to register new, you can also check out the RPC node, front node, and everything is provided here. You can also check out the import. You click on import, and after clicking the import, you can also import here. So I click on this. You can check out cloud launch details. You can also click on application name, app description, email for account, and click on next step. You can also do this. So you can check out WordPress revisualization of the website with Web3 powered by WordPress static, and here you can see the powered websites and the Web3 WordPress advantage. Here you can see the WordPress pricing. Basic, this is first basic, almost 5.99, almost 6 flux per month, and 1 core CPU, 2 GB RAM. You can check out customer service, and this is standard second plan, almost 10 flux at 9.99 flux per month, and 2 core, and get started. And this is enterprise 45 flux coin. This is pro, almost 23 flux coin. Areas of practice: web design and development, blogging, social networking, e-commerce, education and e-learning, membership, website, leverage of your WordPress website with the Web3 technology, discover the web cloud. And here you can see the what customers say about us. You can check out the review about the project. What is Web3 WordPress hosting? You can click on this and question, and you will be get the answer easily. So here I click on YouTube. After clicking the YouTube, you can check out here the YouTube channel. After clicking the YouTube channel will be successfully open here. So Flux Labs YouTube channel has been opened. So they have almost 10.6k subscribers, and they have very big community. And I click on OK option. After clicking the OK, I click on I'm not reported, because when I click the video, here you can see the launch app. If you click on launch app and view video, when I click the view video and the video has been opened, first of all you need to prove you are a human, not a bot. So it's about security reasons. I can fill the captcha. You need to select the car, then click on verify. After clicking the verify, the website will be successfully open. So let's do again. I click on continue. After clicking the continue, your video will be successfully open, and you can also watch it on the YouTube channel. What is Flux and how Flux is working. You can also check out Flux, the relative to this project videos also available on their official YouTube channel. This is their official YouTube channel. You can follow it here, and they have almost 235 videos on the YouTube channel. They come live. I click on live section. You can also check out the live section, almost 1 hour, 2 hour coming the live, and give the your all questions answer easily. You can also join the YouTube channel. You need to click on subscribe, then click on bell icon. You will be successfully subscribed. So this is launched. This is Flux iOS dashboard, Flux Cloud. You can also check out the Flux Cloud, and this is handle Twitter and decentralized website. You can also click on view video. This is a Robert. And guys, here you can also check out make Flux go green and Flux Carbon. Here is the all social link also provided about Flux Carbon Natural. You can check out demand of cryptocurrency, accelerating the adoption, blockchain based solution, and highlighted important Flux go green. Road to the net carbon zero. You can also check out here ASIC residence mining algorithm, proof of US real work, and Flux Web3 cloud crypto climate assets record. You can check out building the future together. You can also check out read more, and here you can see the ecosystem Flux Cloud, the apps Flux and Zcloud, SSP wallet, dashboard, partner team, roadmap, white paper. White paper is also provided apps, and you can check out the every details here. So I click on Flux white paper. You can also check out the white paper. All links provided video description. In my video description, you can check out the decentralized computer enabled network. Here you can see the all information about the project introduction and Web 3.0. Here you can see the team. This is the team of the project. Here you can see the team. So let's scroll down. You can also check out the introduction about the project and all the information provided here. So I hope you understand everything. So guys, this is a Web 3.0 100x 10,000x potential project. So I hope you understand everything. If you have any question, you can do a comment in our video. We will definitely reply you, and you can also join their groups, Telegram group and Twitter account. So thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Take care of yourself.